Fix Wednesday. Come along with me in the kitchen while I whip up something nice and quick. Remember guys, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the section below and push that post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you'll get it hot off the stove. Remember, tell your friends, food we're preparing over here, so come along and get their share. Thank you guys for subscribing. Love you all. Alright guys, so I am preparing the vegetables that I will use for this stir fry. So I have tomato, 1 peg of garlic, about a 1 inch of ginger root, green onion, of course carrots. Okay, so I'm gonna cut them. You don't have to cut them in any particular direction or any particular size. Scallion, I'm gonna cut them nice and fine. Green onion is ready. Now for the carrots, I'm gonna cut them in two. So I'm gonna cut them one direction and then cut them into the next direction. Right, so I have my bell peppers already cut and placed in the refrigerator. So it's just a mix of colors I will be using. Put that away. So see there people, chicken breast cut up already, nice and ready. Put this aside because I'm not quite ready for it as yet. 2 tablespoons of oregano oil. Yeah, enough to coat the bottom of the pot. Then I'm going to place in my chicken breast strips. It's on a high heat, and you want to do this on a high heat, people, so that we can get the sides getting colored, but at the same time the moisture is sealed into the meat. Right, so after 5 minutes, this is what it's like. It looks good enough for me. So I'm making space in the center of the pot because my pak choi is frozen, and I want it to get the part of the pan that has maximum heat contact, and that's the center of my pan. It's frozen, so I'm just gonna take my and I'm just gonna break it up in the middle. Now if you notice, you no longer hear a frying sound, and because the moisture, it is now melting and moisture is added to the fry. And so I will leave that for just a little bit. Put it, heat them onto it. So I have moisture at the top, I have heat at the top and heat at the bottom. So I'm going to use the heat from the chicken and the vegetable that was already in the pot. I'm going to pile that on it. And that will take about 7 minutes before it goes back to a fry. So I'm just going to leave it there. Do not cover it because the essence is to try and get the moisture from the pot. Now for persons, in Jamaica, I know you get fresh pak choi. Me, I got to catch it at the farm, and when I catch it at the farm, I have to cut it up and freeze it until I'm ready to use it. So I'm going to allow that to fry, and the moisture will evaporate, and then when it gets back to a fry, then I will get back to you, my people. Hey, this is nice. Put on garlic salt, Maggi season, and some black pepper. Throw on that pan him. Stir him up again. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I'm just judging this, and I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of stir-fry sauce. See there? Stir-fry sauce. I'm not promoting, guys, for these people, but this is a good sauce. Put on the sauce on it, see there? And my stir-fry Pak Choi and chicken breast is finished. See there? Nice and pretty.